If you're not using these websites in 2026, you're wasting a lot of time and money. Right now, there are powerful tools on the internet that can replace hours of work in just a few minutes. And the best part? Most of them are either free or much cheaper than hiring someone. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 websites that can boost your productivity and help you make money. Number 1, Notion. Notion is like your second brain. You can use it to manage tasks and organize projects. Many startups rely on Notion daily. If you're still using random notes, this alone can save you hours every week. Number 2, Canva. Canva is one of the easiest design tools. You don't even need to be a designer. You can create thumbnails and presentations in minutes. People are even making money selling designs made with this platform. Number 3, ChatGPT. This is one of the most powerful AI tools right now for writing and generating ideas. Businesses are already using AI to cut costs and increase productivity, and you can do the same for your projects. Number 4, Grammarly. If you write anything online, this tool is a must to improve clarity and look professional. It makes your writing sound more professional. This is especially important if you're working with high-value international clients. Number 5, Shopify. If you want to start an online business, Shopify makes it incredibly easy without coding. People are building real businesses and generating income using this platform. It simplifies the entire process of selling online. Number 6, Trello. Trello helps you organize your work visually. It's perfect for managing projects and tracking progress. Number 7, Google Analytics. If you have a website, this tool helps you understand your traffic and visitors. You can see where your visitors come from and how to improve. It's the key to growing your digital presence. Now here's the important part. Don't try to use all of these at once. Start with 1 or 2. In 2026, the people who succeed are the ones who work smarter. The right tools can multiply your results. Start using these tools today and put yourself ahead. If you want more tech content, make sure to subscribe.